In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert and adjust images in your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation with visuals, inform with infographics, or simply add some flair to your slides, this straightforward process will have you incorporating images in no time. Let's get started by making sure you have your presentation open and ready to go. First, navigate to Google Slides and open the presentation that you wish to edit. If you don't have one already online, you can easily create a new one, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you have an existing slide deck ready. Once you're in, find the specific slide where you'd like to add your image. This step sets the stage for your visual addition, allowing you to keep your content organized and your slides visually appealing. Now that you've selected your slide, let's dive into adding the image. Begin by clicking on the Insert menu located at the top of the screen. This menu is where all your insertion options are housed, making it the go-to place for incorporating various elements into your presentation. As you click Insert, a drop-down menu appears. Hover over the Image option in this drop-down to explore the different places you can source your image from. Google Slides provides a variety of options for you to choose from. You can upload an image directly from your computer if you have it saved locally. Simply select Upload from Computer and navigate through your files to find and select the image file you'd like. Alternatively, if you're searching for something online, you can use Search the Web. Google integrates a web search directly into Slides, allowing you to find and insert the perfect image without ever leaving your document. If you have the image stored in your Google Drive or Google Photos, opt for Drive or Photos respectively. You'll need to sign in to your account if you aren't already. There's also the option to insert by URL if you have a direct link, or, for those who prefer taking a live photo, the camera option allows you to snap a picture using your device's camera. Once you've selected your image, it's time to adjust it as necessary. Click on the image to highlight it. You'll notice blue squares appear around the border. These handles are your tools for adjustment. To resize the image, click and drag any of these squares. Be mindful to use the corner squares to maintain the image's aspect ratio. If the image looks too large or too small, fine-tune it to fit your slide's design. To move the image around, simply click and hold it, then drag to reposition it until it fits perfectly with your slide layout. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to insert and tailor images within your Google Slides presentation. This feature isn't just about sprucing up your slides. It's a powerful tool for making your presentation more engaging and informative. Now it's your turn to try it out and see what creative visuals you can incorporate.